And this week we will show you, this week tunaonyesha nini? Hello lovely people and welcome to How To Wednesday. Now last week we showed you guys how to do a simple setup for live streaming or recording. Now this week we do such a setup, but this time we go wireless. My name is Mary and with me is
Yasin. Welcome. Today we have it's just the same simple setup, nothing much. But today our camera will be wireless. We don't need so much cables like last time. Yeah, Mary will take us through the gadgets that we have here. Yeah, over to you, my co-host.
Yes, before I continue, if you didn't get to see our last week's video, kindly visit our social media platforms for that. Also, I think we have a review. We've done a review for almost all of these products that you can see right here. Now, today we are going to use the Hollyland Mars 300. We have a Studio 4K camera, Blackmagic, and we have an Atem Mini Pro, and of course, the laptop and two cables, HDMI and a Type-C USB cable. Yeah, so Yasin?
Okay, now we'll just go through it very quickly. So we are going to do our connection. So we're going to unbox the Hollyland Mars 300.
Yeah.
So it comes with the receiver, transmitter, the power cord, and the antennas over here. So we're going to remove the receiver and the transmitter. The receiver has two cups. The receiver and the transmitter has two cups on top of it, which prevent dust from entering the antenna ports.
Yeah.
You can just remove them. Then place these two. So the power cord is just for one gadget. Let's say you can use it on the receiver or transmitter, depending with the source of power it is.
Yeah.
And we have a battery.
That's right, yeah.
The battery will be used to power one of the gadgets. So we'll just decide when we are just doing, because we don't have a big space to really show you how it can work in a hall, or let's say the camera is placed at a distance. Yeah. So I'm going to just place this aside. So then transmitter will just push the battery, power it via the battery, because the camera will be on Mary's side. And the receiver will just use the power. Have a source of power just beneath me. Then you're going to power the Atem. So our Atem is on. Take the USB-C from our Atem to our laptop over here. So you can just turn on the receiver, the transmitter, sorry. So as you can see here, we have the two indicators. I don't know if the camera can pick. We have a green, which has turned to red, which is looking for the signal from the transmitter. So it's still searching for the link. So from Mary's side to my side, there is no cable coming this side.
Yeah.
So it has already linked. So we have two lights, the green one and the orange. The green one, it's to show that the two have linked. If it hasn't linked, it will blink. And we have the orange one, which shows that there is a feed coming from the transmitter to the receiver.
Yeah.
So we're going just to a streaming website to see if you have the feed from the camera. Okay, there it is, my software. Over to our software, we'll just add a new feed. Just go to the add icon, the plus just below here. Then we'll come here to our video capture device, which is the Atem Mini Pro. Then here at this menu, there is create new, so I can just name it. Let's say name it Atem Mini Pro, like that. Then I just press OK. Then it will bring me another menu showing me the devices that can link with the software. So I have the Easy Eye. The Easy Eye is the laptop's camera. Then I have a menu here. I have the new Tech NDI video. Let's say you have another source from another laptop which has NDI. You can just pull the feed here. We have the Blackmagic design, which is the Atem Mini Pro I'm going to use today. Let's say you have a deck link, that sort of stuff. The OBS virtual camera. Yeah, so I'll just use the Blackmagic design here. And as you can see here on this small screen, it shows the camera footage. As you can see now, Mary, she's panning the camera. So I'll just press OK so that I can see it on full screen. So here I have my camera right here. Just position it like that. Then I can start my stream, start recording. Yeah, that's how I do it.
So that's it, guys. How cool is this setup? It reduces the hassle of using too many cables. Now, if you're a YouTuber, vlogger,
gamers, live streamers,
yes, this setup is meant for you. Remember, to purchase any of this equipment, kindly visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke.
or visit our offices at Trans Towers behind Kenya Institute of Mass Communication in South B.
Yes, until next time with another awesome product. Bye-bye.